welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm gonna show you a few tips how I style my hair. Everybody asks me this, Enny, how long it'll take to do your hair, what your product you put. Well, I do follow few simple steps. I know I've been a barber for the last 30 years, but I think that is nothing to do with the way I style my hair. It's people that they are enjoying to wear a nice style of their hair, and with practice everybody will be able, with few simple steps, to style your own hair. Like the first step to do is, now I will go to do a shampoo and then I will come with a head hair and we're gonna start on the process. And voila, black foam shampoo. So what you do, like I just come with very wet hair because I want to show you. The first tips I give you, as soon as you're coming after the shower, don't rub too aggressive with the towel. Just pat when you dry your hair. This is one of the first things. Then you can use a comb just to style the way you prefer to do your hair. Like at the moment today, what I want to do, I'm gonna give you a little bit side part on the side. So I'm gonna start to comb everywhere. Let's see, I'm just using the phone as mirror. Able to comb on my hair. Like for the people that they are new to the channel, I just had my hair transplant 5 months ago, like, so it is all new hair that I'm enjoying at the moment. So right, the technique that I use is this one. First, shampoo, clean hair because you don't want any product stuck in there, and then pat dry with the towel, and then you comb the way that you desire. So you're starting already give a shape. One of the things that I want to tell people is the product itself is only to hold the shape that you create. It's not that with the product you just want to create a different shape. First, you need a good haircut that he has that shape create already, and then you dry on the shape that you prefer, and then for the last, the product is the only things that it will hold the shape that is already in place. Another thing about the hair dryer, this one, it won't be my favorite. I like to have the one with the nozzle that has to be very narrow. So the more narrow is the nozzle, the more shape it will be easy to create a shape. This one, it will go all over the place. So narrow. I don't have that one at the moment. Usually I always style my hair in the shop, but because now we are off the work, I'm using this one that is in the place where I live. Right. So what I do today, rather than use the brush, I want to just give a quick blow dry on this type of length that is short. There's no point to stress with the brush or with the comb or something else. Another thing, if you see, like I'm cutting my hair on the back, these ones they get a little bit curly, they get a little bit wavy. So the way I want to straighten them up, what I do, I use the finger like this. I open like kind of his comb, his brush. So what I do is with the finger, I put this one down and I do this action. So hot and pull this one down. So at the same time I strengthen this area, both sides. Another thing is that I do always, I recommend to dry all the area of the head, like back and sides, the crown, and then leave the quiff for last, so you won't stretch that one too much, you know. So if you see, to put up this quiff, which now at the moment they are short anyway, but what I do from the root, I put this one up. In the next few months I'm gonna do a video when my quiff is that high. So right now, if you see the hair, they're in place. So we blow dry them, they're nice and dry, so they're already in place. So what we do now, we just apply the product just to hold this shape. You see, it's not that with the product we will create the shape. The shape is already there. We're just gonna give the finish look and the finish just to hold that shape. I'm gonna use a product that is my own formula I made. There's a lot of foaming cream. This foaming cream is good for long length, for curly hair. The only one that is not recommended because it won't work because it's a cream is if you do spiky hair, like it won't work. But all the rest, curly hair, wavy, long length, it will work on all the time, except the one that you want to spiky. You need some clay, some fabric, some extra strong. You can buy on my website. I will show the link below. In Ireland, it will be free delivery. So the way you put this one, yeah, I already used anyway. And that you can see is water based. If you see at the end, you see when it's almost finished, you see it's nice, it's clean, so it doesn't stick there, like, yeah. So I just use fingertip. I applied like these both hands, and then I'm gonna start from the crown. I'm gonna use my palm on the both sides. I don't use the finger because I don't want to create that texture inside. I want put like slick look. So to put the slick look, I'm using the palm, and then I rub a little bit into it, and then I'm gonna put it in the root, and then I will do in the root, nice and gentle. So that is one thing that I always seen when the people that they don't have that, they don't know how to style the hair. They just going like, you know, hard and all. Just be gentle, 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 gentle. Yeah. I could use a little bit more just on the back, just to hold them, like, because when I'm gonna put the blazer on the neck on this length, we will push this one up. Oh. I'm starting to grow my hair, and it is what it is. So guys, if you see the product, it's gone, it's finished. And if I use on white shirt, it's still clean, yeah, because it's already gone. Now, this product is water based. You just apply tiny bit. It's a matte finish, as you can see, and it will keep in hold. Unless it's not that way, that you have long length, there's different story. You can apply even a little bit of hairspray. Thanks for watching the video. If you want me to do a different tutorial for you, explain something else, or you disagree with something that I say, please feel free to comment. And if you enjoyed, subscribe to my channel. I'm happy if the people, they're gonna support and they're gonna make this channel growing, and get thumbs up. Thank you very much. Ciao ciao.